up, Rainbow Camp family? Thank you for checking out this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tie this knot and untie it so that if it comes undone, you know how to retie it again. My name is Stephanie Voyer, and I am the director of Rainbow Camp, or Rainbow Online Connection, which is what we called it in summer 2020, which, as we all know, things have been shut down because of quarantine. But we were able to make some awesome connections anyway. I'm here with our program director, Cal. What's up?
Sup?
So Cal, right here on his wrist, has a 2019 bracelet. Every year at Rainbow Camp we do a different color of paracord and burn it like this so it melts together and you can keep it on. And so since this was 2019, this year we were like, what color are we gonna send everybody since they're all over the world, but you participated, and we all like to feel like we're all tied together through our paracord bracelet. It reminds campers of the love they had at camp when they're all over the world. And so this year we made these adjustable ones like this. And so I'm going to teach you how to retie this knot for when it comes undone, and you can still wear it like that. Okay, so what you do is, it looks like this right now. You're all going to get a different color or a different size. They're all pretty much the same size, but you can adjust it so that it fits you. You can wear it on your wrist or your ankle, and it's just a knot, like the knot kind of before you tie your shoes. So what I do, I'm just going to take it apart quick. So we burn the ends so that they don't fray, and then what we're going to do is you're going to cross it over like you're tying just a normal knot, and then you want the shorter end to be facing the opposite side of this shorter string. So it's on this side, it's going to come around, and then just make sure you leave enough space. It's going to poke through the hole on the opposite side, like pointing the opposite direction, I mean, away from this one. And then when you pull this one, it'll slide nicely across the cord. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So you want to leave it long enough so you can keep tying it. And then on here, you make a loop. It goes over, same thing, like we want the shorter end facing the opposite way of the knot. It's gonna go over and then through that little hole that we just created. And then you pull it tight and adjust it so that it also pulls apart. And then once you pull it, you'll be able to slide it on your wrist. And then Cal, adjust it for me so that it fits. He's gonna pull those knots. Perfect. So this year, like you can see, you can get any color, and they represent how we're all far apart, we're all different colors, but together these were all cut from the same string. So we were all tied together this summer through activities and our memories, and it reminds you of the support and the community you have no matter where you are in the world. So there you have it. Our paracord bracelets for this year. Hope you'll love it. If you're not subscribed to our channel already, please subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram at rainbowcamp.ca. When you are wearing our bracelets, make sure you please take a picture of it and tag us, and also hashtag ROC2020, that's hashtag ROC2020, because that is what year these bracelets were made. And they are what unify us, and then when we're all together next year, we'll be able to see where they all kind of connect and where our colors blend together. Yeah, so everybody's is different, but they all look beautiful together. So thanks for watching, and I cannot wait till summer 2021 when we can all be together again. All right, see ya!